Meaning of impediment.
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 Impediment. Impediment refers to any obstacle or barrier that hinders progress or interferes with the smooth functioning of a process or system. An impediment can be physical, emotional, mental, or social in nature and can have serious consequences for the individual or organization affected by it. Examples of impediments include disabilities, lack of resources, communication breakdowns, or organizational bureaucracy. Identifying and addressing impediments is crucial for achieving success and overcoming challenges in both personal and professional contexts. Failure to address impediments can lead to frustration, inefficiency, and lost opportunities.